Well, it seems like Ed's new Avalanche has a mind of its own. It just locked Ed out. So Ed now has to call Chevy and have them with the OnStar and have them unlock his Avalanche.
Okay, tried to call OnStar, but we can't get any cell phone service up here in the hills. So Jay there is going to have to crawl in through the back of the Avalanche. Hop over the top, my boy.
You're lucky they got the covers off.
Yeah, we'd really be in trouble. See, this is what, ooh, talk about assholes. This is what modern vehicle technology does for people these days. See, these trucks think for themselves. It locked the doors on me. Why, I don't know. You all right?
There, now I unlocked the...
Okay. Now all we gotta do is get Jay out of here.
Oh.
You know what? It's April. The hell with this horn stuff. I think we better take up fishing.
Yeah, let's go trout fishing.
There you go.